Hello and welcome to Drunk on Tea. If you've ever tried to track down any out-of-print Warhammer miniature, you already know it's not a hobby, it's a quest. You're digging through sketchy listings, bidding against someone named Orcslayer 1997, and somehow the model you want is either missing an arm or costs more than your entire army. But today I'm going to show you the best places to actually find these models, how to avoid getting ripped off, and where the real hidden treasures are. First, why is this so difficult? Because Warhammer isn't just a game, it's a rotating museum. Models get discontinued, entire factions disappear, and sometimes Games Workshop just wakes up and says, yeah, that model, gone. So now you've got limited supply, high demand, and collectors who hoard rare miniatures like dragons hoard gold, which means prices can get unhinged. The big second-hand stores. Let's start with the easiest option, dedicated second-hand Warhammer stores. These are basically the supermarkets of used miniatures. Why they're great? They come with huge selections, constant restocks, and you can actually find what you're looking for. It's like walking into a shop where someone already did the treasure hunting for you, but they know that. The downsides, the prices are higher, rare models have premium pricing, and there's less chance of a crazy bargain. You're paying for convenience, you're basically saying, I don't want to hunt, I want the thing now. I have money, not patience. eBay, the Wild West. Now, if you want the best deals, welcome to chaos. This is where prices fluctuate constantly, auctions can save you money or destroy your soul, and every list is a gamble. You'll see things like rare models unpainted and it's been dipped in something that might be glue or gravy. Pro tips as to search for misspellings, seriously search all of them. Look for job lots and bundles, check listings at weird hours, and be patient. Sniping is real. Because sometimes you'll find a 150 quid model for £25 because someone listed it as Warhammer Guy. The hidden gems. Now this is where things get interesting. Independent stores. These are smaller businesses that buy collections and resell them, and they're wildly underrated. Why they're amazing? Because they have curated stock, niche and rare items, and much better quality control than eBay. This is where you'll find things like old metal sculpts, classic Warhammer fantasy units, and weird obscure models nobody else has. However, there is a catch, and they often have limited stock, and items disappear fast because there's normally only one of them. If you see something you want, don't think, don't hesitate, just buy it. This is not the time for financial responsibility. The real strategy. Here's the truth nobody tells you. There's no single best place. The real strategy is to use all of them. Want convenience? Go to big secondhand stores. Want cheap deals? Scour eBay. And want rare finds? Never forget to check out those independent shops. And don't stop there. Also check out Facebook buy and sell groups, Reddit trading communities, local game stores, and also any local wargame events that might have a bring and buy table in your area. Because sometimes the best find isn't online, it's in a random box, under a table, in a shop that smells like paint and destiny. Avoiding disaster. Before you go, quick survival tips. Watch out for missing parts, bad paint jobs, and overpriced listings. Some listings are marked up 30, 40% or even more, so always compare, always zoom in on photos, and never trust a listing with one blurry image. So, what's the best place to get out of print Warhammer miniatures? Want it fast? Use the big resellers. Want it cheap? Hunt on eBay. Want something special? Go independent or local trade show. But honestly, the best part is the hunt. Because when you find that one model, it's not just a purchase, it's a victory. If you enjoyed this little look at buying secondhand rare out of print miniatures, hit like and tell me what's the rarest Warhammer model you've ever found. And if you want, I can make a follow-up on how to spot fakes and recasts, because that's a whole different battlefield. So thank you very much for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe for more hobby content. And happy hunting!